Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact SUVs of 2025, the BMW X2. This all-new model is sleek, sporty, and designed to turn heads while delivering top-tier performance. Whether you're a BMW fanatic or simply someone who appreciates automotive excellence, you won't want to miss this. What makes the 2025 BMW X2 a standout in its class? Stick around as we break it all down, from its aggressive exterior design to its luxurious interior, cutting-edge tech, and powerhouse engine. Trust me, this is a ride you'll want to know everything about. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive updates. Now, let's dive into the 2025 BMW X2. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 BMW X2 is a bold evolution of its predecessor, making a powerful statement right from the front. The iconic kidney grilles are larger and wider than ever, giving the SUV a commanding presence on the road. Flanked by sharp, high-tech LED headlights, the front design radiates confidence. These lights don't just look great, they ensure superior visibility, whether you're navigating city streets or taking on the open highway. BMW's signature smooth aerodynamic lines aren't just eye candy, they enhance the SUV's performance, improving airflow and giving the X2 a dynamic, sporty edge. Moving to the side, the X2's compact yet muscular profile immediately grabs attention. Its sloping roofline exudes coupe-like elegance without compromising on interior space. With large 19-inch wheels and a sculpted body, this SUV is as stylish as it is practical. Adding to its sporty vibe are the aggressive side air intakes, reinforcing the X2's ready-for-action character. Now, let's check out the rear. BMW has achieved the perfect balance of modern design and bold aesthetics here. The sharp, angular taillights are a visual masterpiece, ensuring the X2 is recognizable from a distance. Dual exhaust outlets, seamlessly integrated into the design, add a sporty edge to the rear. Paired with a sculpted rear bumper, the X2's back end screams sophistication and speed even when it's stationary. But let's get to the heart of the matter: performance. The 2025 BMW X2 M35i variant is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 302 horsepower. This compact SUV can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. What makes this performance even better is BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. This advanced system ensures exceptional grip and handling, whether you're tackling snowy roads, tight corners, or smooth highways. The X2's dynamic driving capabilities and responsive steering make every journey a joy, whether it's your daily commute or a weekend road trip. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's equal parts luxury and functionality. The sport-inspired cockpit features plush leather seating with bold red stitching that adds a pop of character to the interior. These seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support during spirited drives, but they're just as comfortable for those long-distance trips. BMW has also packed the X2 with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece of the interior is a 12.3-inch digital display, which serves as the hub for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Powered by BMW's latest iDrive system, it's intuitive, responsive, and seamlessly integrates with the futuristic cabin design. For the tech-savvy, the 2025 X2 doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced voice commands. And let's not forget the Harman Kardon premium sound system. Whether you're taking calls, navigating, or just jamming to your favorite playlist, the audio experience in the X2 is nothing short of spectacular. Despite its sporty design, the 2025 BMW X2 doesn't compromise on practicality. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, and the cargo space is more than sufficient for a weekend getaway or a trip to the store. It's the perfect balance of form and function, making the X2 a versatile choice for drivers who want it all. So, there you have it, the all-new 2025 BMW X2. a compact SUV that redefines style, performance, and luxury. From its aggressive exterior design to its tech-packed interior and impressive powertrain, the X2 is a true standout in its class. What do you think of the 2025 BMW X2? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're considering a compact SUV that combines practicality with high performance, the X2 might just be your perfect match. Thanks for tuning in to Real Automotive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews and insights. Until next time, keep driving in style.